Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to the TheFonoGuy. So we make a lots of video about the upcoming Google Pixel 4a, but now this is another video of the upcoming Google Pixel 4a. This is the updated video about the Google Pixel 4a pricing, and in this video talking about the Google Pixel 4a pricing. So make sure to like this video and subscribe my channel for latest tech videos. The upcoming Google Pixel 4a is set to arrive soon, possibly in early June, following an end-to-end leak of the phone and a video testing the phone performance and a battery life. We now get to learn more about the phone pricing. It was initially rumored the Google Pixel 4a will starting $399. I also make a video about that, and also talking about that the phone will available in $399, just like the iPhone SE 2020. Now, according to 9 to 5 Google website source, that the Google Pixel 4a could cost less than the cheapest iPhone SE 2020. They claims is that the Google would sell a 128 gigabytes of variant of the Google Pixel 4a for $349, while 64 gigabytes of variant might be available in just $299. This is the Stephen Hall tweet, as you can see on your screen. He says source suggests that the $349 price will be for 128 gigabytes of storage model of the Google Pixel 4a. The Google Pixel 3a was very successful last year, and setting an aggressive price point would creationally allow Google to ship more units following Google's own team's discontentment with the Pixel 4 and its lack of enthusiasm for the launch. The Google Pixel 4a might be just what the Pixel team needs right now. There is a great possibility we'll see the Google Pixel 4a launching during the Android 11 beta launch show that's scheduled for a next month on June 3. This live stream event, where Google will announce some of things it expected to make public during the new cancelled Google I/O, including the expected launch of the Android 11 public beta. The upcoming Google Pixel 4a is rumored to pack the Snapdragon 730 chipset with 6 gigabytes of RAM and either 64 or 128 gigabytes of storage. I also talking about my previous video about the upcoming Google Pixel 4a specs. You can check it out that video on my channel. The phone will come with a 5.8-inch FHD plus OLED display and 12.2 megapixel rear and 8 megapixel front facing camera. So guys, this is the latest update about the Google Pixel 4a. I also make a video about the Google Pixel 4a. Lots of video I make it about the upcoming Google Pixel 4a. You can check it out that videos on my channel, but it's all based on rumors and leaks. So let's see in upcoming days what the Google Pixel 4a the price. So make sure to like this video and subscribe my channel for latest tech videos and enable that bell notification so you don't miss any updated video of the Google Pixel 4a or any my uploaded video about the tech. So I see you in my next video. Peace out.